Storm chasers. Hey, this is Ray Alkalai, and this is Insurance Tips for Smart People. What is a storm chaser, and what do you need to worry about? So, storm chasers are basically those guys that come in, knocking door to door, wanting to take a look at your roof because you might have hail damage, and all your neighbors got a new roof. Well, recently I had a couple of customers that did call about that, and my suggestion to all of you is when the storm chaser does come to your door, they may be valid or not, I don't know. But if you're going to let somebody go up on your roof, you should also look at somebody that basically you know and or trust. I send out somebody that I trust out to any one of my customers that is asking about a new roof because everybody in the neighborhood got a new roof. And I send them out. They take a look at the roof to see if there's actual hail damage before we make a claim. If you make a claim and there is no hail damage, it still sits on your record. And the companies look at frequency of trying to make a claim, even if they don't sell or if they don't pay you for that roof repair. So it'll show zero, but it'll show you made a claim. So you do not want that. So if a storm chaser comes to your house and wants to look at the roof and you feel comfortable letting them go up on your roof and taking a look, go right ahead. But I also suggest you should call somebody you know that is in the roofing business and have them go up on your roof, or call your agent and see who they suggest. I have somebody that I use on a regular basis. The gentleman goes up, takes a look, takes pictures, gives an honest opinion, and if he thinks there should be a claim, he says so. If he doesn't think there should be a claim, he also says so, and we go from there. So again, storm chasers, good or bad, I don't know. You make the judgment, but this is my suggestion. Ray Alkalai, insurance tips for smart people. You do not want to make a claim that is going to sit on your record and you're not getting paid for. Ray Alkalai, insurance tips for smart people. Share and like, share and like. And if you have a storm chaser at your door, you make the choice.